My video guide will provide you with instructions to remove the online scam that is coming from the site sasetikov.com. This particular website may display a lot of scary messages that try to encourage the visitors into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software. At the first glance, it might look as if these pop-ups are decent. They claim to be related to some decent security software, but they are not related to that software. These pop-ups are the example of the typical online scam that tries to force you into downloading certain potentially unwanted software. As you can clearly see, these alerts display frustrating messages mentioning that your PC is unprotected and that it is at risk for viruses and other malware. But if people click on Renew Now button, they may be forwarded to some other questionable sites, and also they may start getting a lot of intrusive ads if they click on the special Allow button that may be integrated into these pop-ups. Nevertheless, all these alerts could be the trace of some adware in your computer, so I recommend you to carefully research the control panel of your device and uninstall any programs that are suspicious. So if you find any unfamiliar software here on the list, get rid of it. Simply right-click on it and uninstall it. To make sure that your system is free of other hidden threats, I would strongly advise scanning with Combo Cleaner antivirus, and you may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. Download the program through this green download button, install the application and begin researching your device with its help to detect and eliminate all other threats from your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.